What is up, YouTube? It's your guy Tyler here again with another unboxing. Today we're going to be talking about the Andis T outliner, the wireless T outliner, man. I've been waiting forever for this. I cannot wait to use it. But yeah, let's get into this unboxing, man. It comes with 4 attachment combs, the 1/16, the 1/8, the 1/4, and 3/8. A Andis charging stand, power cord, instruction booklet, clipper oil. So that's everything that's in the box, but let's talk a little bit more about this cool new trimmer. So the Andis T outliner has a lithium ion battery that delivers over 100 minutes of runtime and charges in an hour. It has a close cutting T-blade for lining, designing, and dry shaving. It has a rotary motor and is good for cutting fine, medium, and coarse hair. When it's charging, it fades in and out. When it is fully charged, it's a solid blue color. When the battery is low, it is a solid red color. On the clipper, it says, "Read instructions first, do not turn on until clipper is fully charged." So that was my review for the cordless Andis T outliner. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching, guys.